What's up, YouTube? Team Pika of White Widow Games here, and today we got 5 booster packs of Steam Siege. We got them about a day early for official release date is August 1st, but we got them at our local Walgreens for $3.99. So let's get to open them and hopefully get some good pulls for you guys. Now, we opened a couple of these in our 98 pack opening video. That was a lot of fun, but it might be a while before we do it again. But hopefully we get a Volcanion Secret Rare EX, or even maybe a Mega Guardy EX. That Mega Guardy is quite a beautiful card. Get that code card. Alright, now the first card of this pack is a Steelix Spirit Link, D-Watt, Hawlucha, a C-Dot, Sneasel, Oshawott, Fletchling, Larvesta. Reverse Holo is a Manti, and the rare of the pack is a Gavalancha non-holo. Nothing really too great in that pack. It's okay. Still got 4 more here. Oop, hit the camera. Let's fix that real quick. First card of the pack is, forgot the name for a minute, a Shiny Azumarill dual type. Cavitating Poke Puff, Lampit, Yamna, Sneasel, Litleo, Nosepass, Chimchar. The reverse holo is a Channeler, and the rare of the pack is a Mega Steelix Full Art EX. That looks really nice. Put that in the sleeve. That looks really nice. Third pack. Really hope I get a Volcanion EX. I need one more, and I'll have a playset, but we'll get it eventually. So, go aside. First card is an Ambipom, Sheldon, Monferno, Nidoran, a Fungus, Mankey, a Clink, a Manti. The reverse holo is a Special Charge. That's a pretty good card right now. And the rare of the pack is an Infernape holo. I'll set that in the sleeve too. Set all the rare holos in sleeves, along with the EXs and everything. Infernape's pretty nasty. For 2 fire energy, it does 200 damage. But it has a little cost to it, but we'll go over that maybe sometime in the future. Go aside. First card is a Persian. Looks like there's a Flabébé in the back too. Shiny Azumarill dual type. D-Watt, Hoppip, Litwick, Meowth, Ponyta, Rufflet. The reverse holo is a Bisharp dual type, and the rare of the pack is an Armaldo non-holo. Alright, we're down to the last pack. Maybe we can get one more Ultra out of here, that'd be nice. First card of the pack is a Dewott, a Greedy Dice, a Zulus, Litwick, Meowth, Ponyta, a Rufflet, a Larvesta. Reverse Holo is a Steelix Spirit Link, and the rare of the pack is a Avalugg non-holo. Not too bad for 5 packs. Did get a full art and a holo rare. Again, the full art is the Mega Steelix EX, and then the holo rare is an Infernape EX. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be back with more Pokemon videos shortly.